How to switch Trello to dark mode. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Trello, then switching to dark mode can make it much easier to work at night and reduce eye strain. So let's go ahead and do it right away. First of all, open the Trello application on your smartphone or your tablets and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the Boards tab after logging in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Account button. Once you're inside this Account tab, click on App Settings. Inside App Settings, go ahead and select the Theme option and tap on Dark. Once you tap on Dark, you'll be able to change your theme in the Trello app. And that's it, you've successfully switched Trello to dark mode. Now your board should look cleaner, darker, and much easier on your eyes, especially during late night planning sessions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.